y'all. We finally made it. We're on a hike. We're here, National Forest. Adventure up far in the mountains. It's crazy out there. Oh, this is dope.
Sturtevant Falls 1.8. Okay.
What happened?
Those are all the different trails.
Damn.
So we're going to Sturtevant. I went to Hermit Falls, but oh my gosh, that one's on such a crazy cliff. I'm not doing that again.
Oh, shit.
I like.
Can't believe people used to camp over here.
Yeah, they hike all the way down here, and then, or if they're able to like take like a small. This extended lodge built around 1920.
Damn.
Which 5,000 hikers passed through the canyon. In the late 1920s showed a decline in hiking, which led to the eventual closing of the camp.
Well.
Wow, so now we know the story. So they opened, or
That's how
yeah, it looks like they opened around July 4th, 1919, all the way to 1931. And they had built a whole bunch of cottages for campgrounds because they had about 5,000 hikers pass.
Stairs going that way.
So it was very busy, I guess, but it says here around 1920, yeah, the late 1920s, hiking declined and
Oh. Y'all, we super high. We are high up in the mountains. No campfires, because it will be a fire with all these trees.
careful now.
I done trip.
Woo!
What?
You saw that?
No, I didn't.
That bug just literally crossed right in front of us.
Oh shit, that sounds like cicadas, y'all. This is the start.
A little dam, or I don't really know what it is, but
Yeah.
it looks like a dam.
Mm-hmm.
This is where we get down into the forest.
Yep. Down.
Now we're getting into the shaded areas, thank God. Oh, you see the cottages starting?
Mm-hmm. Says 23. That must be Camp 23. Camp 23.
See?
Says 23.
Cabin number 22.
Cabin number
Isn't that
23. Yeah.
1917, 1920. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. Y'all, it's Watts over here. I ain't playing with them.
Okay, guys, so we've seen a glimpse of our first cottage here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna come around the side. Now, I'm not as adventurous, so I will not be going up there to look inside or any of that, just because I'm kind of a scaredy cat, but...
Who you telling? We not trying to meet no friends in there.
Right. I'm not an abandoned explorer, but
Nope, not that type.
I will definitely
Show you from the outside.
get as many clips as I can from where I'm at.
And it's definitely abandoned because it's boarded up.
Yeah, it's boarded up. And there's so many interesting, like it looks like a house, really.
Literally,
Looks like a really cool house, really old school house. They have like cut down stumps of trees cleared all around it, which I'm guessing are for like maybe campfires that they have. These bugs are really irritating right now.
Literally.
And a little pathway.
To walk over there, which I'm not. We damn near can.
I just want to go right here.
Let's do it for the YouTube.
I'm doing this for you guys.
I normally don't do this, y'all.
Oh, they have like a little yard right there.
Oh, a little
With a
backyard.
tiny gate. And it looks like that's the outhouse over there.
I'm so nervous. I'm shaking.
This is like the little yard.
This is probably where they have little camp games and stuff.
And it's like right next to the stream, so how nice is that? Look, it's like a little side door to the yard.
Mm-hmm. Camp. They had the little.
I'm so curious to know how it was back then.
Right.
Like, this is so cool. There's a trail that we're gonna get back on right now.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beatmaker of Reunion Island, baby.
Look at y'all, it's another one up there. That one look like it's still being used. I think. Oh, look, it's another one over there. Damn, they're like separated, they're not all together.
That's what I said.
Oh, look, it's a string.
That's what I said. They're like a.
Look, it's a string. That must be where they do the
You
little.
know, in order them, I think in order for them to get materials, like they have to bring it down by horseback or like a messenger, like somebody that comes down here to bring materials.
Look at, I think this. Shoot, what's this called again?
What of it?
No, when they be hanging on there and they go down.
Oh, zip line?
Zip lining. It's probably zip lining.
No, it isn't, Thomas. That's a thin string.
Probably back in the day, that's all they can do. This was probably all water. You never know. Oh no, that's like a messenger thing. It look. Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
what if this is how they socialize?
Right.
What?
I'm getting really irritated. I feel like a bug went in my eye.
Oh, I feel that.
How'd it go in my eye and I have glasses?
Look at all those houses up there. That one, and that one. Yeah, I think these ropes is how they do like the meshes calls with the cans and
I'm
stuff.
so irritated right now. These bugs. I think one in my ear. It went like literally, it looked like it was just coming towards me. Like it didn't have any direction. It just said, I'm going in that ear.
Literally, like I'm in there.
And
Hey.
in my eye, I feel like one of them in my eye.
Again for bathroom.
Yeah, for the bathroom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm stupid. That's a dumb question. Sorry, y'all. We really on some adventurous
The big
stuff.
pond. Here we go again.
Here we go. Y'all gonna see it. But I'ma film when I'm up there. Look at the lizard right here. Ooh.
What am I gonna? You can save 15% on your title insurance.
Mm.
I'm so damn corny.
It's chilling and stuff.
Oh.
You jump down.
Fish. Yeah, right. I could edit that out too.
Oh yeah. Y'all, this path here takes you all the way up to the waterfall, but we're gonna go here, so we're gonna be down of the waterfall.
Yeah, last time I came with two of my friends, and we took this like off trail right here. If you go all the way up, it takes you all the way up to the top of the waterfall. And it's beautiful. But here's another cottage.
Yeah.
If you didn't see the last
Another
10.
outhouse. Right. People got their animals over here and stuff.
I'm so happy you got a newer iPhone because you got portrait mode.
I
I
know.
don't have portrait mode. Almost there.
That's why he's spitting, because he probably got cotton mouth. Scary, but it's a walk.
You really are though.
Hmm.
Almost there.
No one like told me to sit in my house all the time.
Ooh, y'all.
Streamer crossing. And I'm going to take the branch way
Yes.
because the rocks are blue.
I'm gonna take the rock way.
I usually just walk through the water because I don't want to have to do a balancing act, but I don't know what
Does this. God, you doing a balancing act with the woods. She talking about she don't want to do a balancing act, y'all, but look at her. Look at the rocks.
Slowly.
Look how thick the rocks is, and look at this.
slowly.
You literally balanced right there. Walking back up, we hit you when we almost there. Hold on. That bug is blue. If you see that blue, the bug is blue. Crazy, man. Don't touch nothing. Why you scream? Why you screaming?
Something dropped from the branch and it was making noises.
Okay.
Scream like that. That was a legit scream. I was scared.
That's funny.
There's too many bushes around.
I hate walking through bushes. You all should know that. I'm normally not this adventurous, but we're gonna hike. This is our fitness trial.
I swear, like I'm this adventurous.
I know I'm not this
I only
adventurous.
came here because I've been here before.
I know people who come here. I bet people who come here on a daily,
Yeah,
just to come.
there are people that come here a lot.
Okay, we made it, baby.
You have to pass by the branch.
Again, that's what I'm gonna do. Balance.
You hear that?
Yep. I don't want to hear. I don't want
Let me videotape you.
to
I'll
balance.
videotape you on mine.
Oh, yours?
And then you,
You want to do mine or yours?
what you want to do? No. You want me to get you from the front or from the back?
From the back.
No, I wanted to get from, okay.
From the front?
No, I wanted to get from the back.
Okay. Oh, give me from the back then.
No, you get me from the back, and then I'll get you from the front.
Oh.
There's only one person
Okay.
can cross at one
Bet,
time.
bet. Go on.
Oh, I don't know about this. It looks a lot worse.
Look
If
at
I-
that bathroom.
It looks like that's one that's actually used.
Huh?
Oh my God, Thomas.
Ty, I don't think you can balance on that.
I don't know. I don't know. It's moving.
Yeah, I don't know. You can balance on the. If you do it,
Fire.
bitch, I salute you. No, don't, Ty.
Don't
Do it.
hold my phone just in case I fall.
No, don't fall. It's hella rocks.
I'm not gonna die. I might just. You know what? I'm gonna do the scooping thing.
Do it then. Do it. Oh. That shit gonna be.
Oh, nope. Ow!
What you what did you think you
Ow.
was?
MacGyver.
What did you thought you
I'm
was?
going the small branch one.
Right. Come on.
Great. That hurt my leg. These look easy to you.
Oh, take your phone so you can record me
I
from
don't
the
wanna-
front.
Oh, right.
These rocks. If you fall on these rocks, you're just clumsy.
I am clumsy.
No, clumsy. Oh. All right, now record me.
Okay, hold on.
I could balance.
Hold on. Okay. Gymnastics.
Okay.
Take a picture of me next to this branch. So
Okay. Ready? Oh, she rare.
We're here.
I'm scared of
I'm
her.
so excited.
She wanted the risky path.
You want something challenging?
Uh-huh.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. I love it. Ugh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Pretty nice.
That's just dope. Not in the water. This is big.
Made it to Scooter Falls.
I'm gonna take my socks and shoes off and get in there.
Yeah?
I'm gonna just walk like that.
Let's do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna get wet. I'll probably take some vlogs of Thomas and then he'll get some of me because I'm scared to drop my phone.
I'm not getting that deep in it though. I get legs.
We're gonna have
feet.
lunch and then head back after.
Oh, boy. I feel like we're going inside the beach.
The beach is rock.
Scared of this. Might as well. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go back to where we came from. Weird. I'm gonna hit you when we get there. Oh yeah. See? Ooh, that scared me.
They did
I was about to say, got to get you.
He said, "Woo."
It was nothing we could do about that one. That was a nothing we could do about it. It's about to get you.
Okay, I'm gonna start my vlog too. The same one they do. Hey guys, so we're okay, guys. Here we are, the death trail. So we're gonna start up this. I'm not gonna take too long here because I gotta get started. But I'm gonna vlog halfway through it, and you'll see how it goes. So, wish me luck. Oh crap!
Wish me luck too.
Come on, let's hurry up. Let's go before they walk up to us.
Y'all, we low-key anti-social. We new to this YouTube thing, so this is how we get out of our comfort zone. But yeah, we're vlogging right now. They don't know what they gotta go through. They gotta vlog.
If they've been here before, they do. If not, they're ready. They're gonna be in for a rude awakening.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. You're on my way. Hi. I feel this all in my calves right now. This is crazy. Y'all, we're going up, up. Come on, you can do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. It's a beautiful view too. Oh, look up there.
Don't get me on out here. We just walked up all that, and it's all incline, no straightaway. Ty set me up. Yep. Cool. Cool though. I went through. Those are the biggest inclines I ever did in my life. And these stairs is damn near inclines too. Yeah, y'all.